And in this one, I'll be discussing how to obtain the crypto info you seek. So let's get going.
Hey there guys, DrH-TheCryptoPractor here, providing hands-on practical edutainment and simple crypto investing strategies for beginners, blossoming neophytes and the next generation OGs. So if that sort of information is of use to you, just pop down below, boop the like, spank the subscribe and ding the notification bell to all. And when I drop the next video, you'll be the first to get it. Now, this is a little bit of a different video today because I've become conscious that I was intending to produce a lot of videos very quickly, but I have been swamped at work lately. However, the information that you seek, so in other words, you've clicked here from a link in one of my videos, there will be a video that I'm going to produce for that, but for now, as a holding strategy, down below in the description, I put a link to exactly the information you need.
You were thinking of some information?
It isn't by me, it's by another mentor, but they're going to provide you the information that you seek. So if you want to click on the title, go down into the description. Now that's going to enable me while I'm building these videos to still give you plenty of high value information so that you can continue your edutainment journey into crypto. So from me, Dr. H, the CryptoPractor, and from Satoshi, we wish you all the maddest of gains, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.
And if you'd like to pop down into the description, I have a gift for you. It is a free 10-page PDF on how to build your very own crypto investing strategy. And if you are a beginner, check out this playlist on the left. And if you're a blossoming neophyte, then check out the playlist on the right. Dr. H, out.